Hey, do you ever wonder how Windows has automatic starting programs? Well, there are many different ways so far actually doing it. So let me go over um, the very common ones and pretty much all the ones that um, are in Windows. So they could either be in a folder or they could be in the registry. So let me start with the registry first. So what you want to do is just click on the start menu and type in registry, and you want to open registry editor. Yes, you want to give it permissions because you will be making changes to it. So uh, let's go over the machine, the PC, Windows PC itself. Let's go over that first, and then we'll go over the user location. So um, there could be the machine itself starting things up, and there could be per user starting things up. So there's a difference between that. All right, so the first one I'm going to go over is the local machine. All right, so in registry, go to HKey local machine, go into software, go into Microsoft, go into Windows, and easiest way is if you just type it, um, expand that, and then you go into current version, expand that, and then you go into run. There's actually a run folder, and this folder is what will actually start up for everyone, no matter who logs into the machine. This is a location where things will automatically start up. So in here I have security health check. This is the security health check to upgrade to Windows 11. I'm keeping this as a Windows 10. This is a virtual machine, so it's in here, but I'm actually gonna remove it just like that, so you can see what you will need to do. All right, so in the run folder, if there's anything below the default setting here, which is just a value, there's nothing actually. This doesn't actually run anything. Just remove everything that's below, and unless you want something starting, then don't remove it. The security health check I had in here, I don't need it starting every time, so I removed it, and that's that. Um, I don't have to do anything else with it. In order for this to take effect, you do have to reboot because the registry has to reapply the settings. The second possible location for a program starting up for everyone is actually in the startup folder in the startup menu. Now, if you just go to the startup, if you just go to the menu here with all the programs, you won't see that folder here. What you want to do is open up File Explorer, go into your C drive, and actually you have to type in the actual folder because it's a hidden folder. Program data. This is the folder you want to go into. Now this is a hidden folder, so you do have to type in the path. So you go into Program Data, you go into Microsoft, you go into Windows, you go into Start menu, you go into Programs, and then you go to Startup again. Yes, it's a pretty long path. And in here, I don't have anything in here, so the programs don't start. But let's say if I do want to have Chrome starting for everyone, I'll just put I'll just copy it right in here. This is a shortcut I just copied into this startup folder, and anyone that logs into this machine, Chrome will start automatically. I'm actually going to delete it because I don't want to have that starting for me automatically. It's just unnecessary. All right, so now let's talk about so this was all about user startup. Now let's talk about user-based startup. So open up registry. If you don't have already, open start, and then just type in registry and open registry editor. Go into current user, go into software, go into Microsoft, go into Windows, go into current version, and go into run. And in here, as you can see, I have OneDrive starting. So I can just remove it from here, say yes, and it'll just not start up for me. All right. The other location that you can find things that start up is you go to the start menu and you type in run, and all right, and you open the run command. and you want to type in shell colon startup, and this will, when you hit enter, this location here is for users only. So see users, AppData, roaming, Microsoft Windows, start menu, program startup. If you have an item in here, it will start for this particular user for this particular profile. All right. This is actually different than this. These two things are different. So that's why I'm showing you both, because you have to check in both places. All right. Now, one other thing you can do, right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, and then click on More Details, and then go into Startup. And in here, you can also see which things are starting up. So this status right here will tell you what starts up. Microsoft OneDrive is enabled. What you can do, you can disable it. Now it won't start. I don't have Cortana starting, and I don't have Skype starting. I'm gonna leave this enabled for now, just so you can see that how to make changes here. All right, and that's pretty much it. So these are all the locations for everything that starts up in Windows. I will leave this text in the description, so that way you have it as a reference. You don't have to go fishing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I will answer them and help you out as much as I can. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.